Welcome to the Green Valley Installation and Operation Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to install the LiGrip O2 drone kit. Before installation, prepare the drone by replacing the lower damping plate, installing the Skyport adapter, and mounting the GNSS antenna. First, place the drone upside down on a stable surface. Remove the 4 original screws and vibration dampers from the underside. Loosen the 2 safety tether knobs and remove the safety tether. Then remove the original gimbal mounting bracket. Next, install the mounting assembly. Attach the adapter mounting plate to the underside of the drone and secure it with the supplied 4M 3x8 screws. Then install the gimbal bracket with the supplied spacers and tighten the supplied 4M 5x8 screws. Finally, turn the drone upright. Connect the supplied Skyport adapter to the drone Skyport interface. Align the white mark with the red mark, insert the adapter, then rotate it until the red marks align to lock it in place. Finally, install the GNSS antenna by aligning the mounting screw with the threaded hole on top of the drone and tightening it securely. Before installing the drone kit, remove the phone mount clamp. Loosen the screws on both sides, counterclockwise, and remove the clamp. Using the supplied hand wrench, remove the 3 screws securing the original antenna, then pull the antenna straight backward. The antenna connects through a USB Type-C port. Align the drone antenna module with the USB Type-C port. Insert it and press it firmly into place. Reinstall and tighten the 3 screws to complete the installation. To install the device, align the power connector with the Skyport adapter and slide it into position. Close the locking lever, then tighten the rear mounting knob to secure the device. Connect the drone GNSS antenna to the antenna module using the GNSS RF cable. Secure the cable with the supplied cable clips. The drone mounting system is now ready for operation. To remove the system, first disconnect the GNSS RF cable. Remove the GNSS antenna. Loosen the mounting knob behind the device power connector. Open the locking lever and slide the device out. Press the release button on the side of the Skyport adapter. Rotate the adapter from the red mark to the white mark, then remove it. The vibration damping gimbal assembly can remain installed on the drone for easier storage and future use.